Did you know that many recent studies are showing that having a good balance of bacteria in your gut can be incredibly beneficial to your health? Well, the exact same thing goes for our pets. Ensuring that your pet's gut bacteria remains balanced is extremely important to their overall health. And Dr. Guy Fyvie, Veterinary Affairs Manager at Hill's Pet Nutrition in South Africa, he's here to tell us everything we need to know to keep our pets happy and healthy. Guy, good morning.
Good morning, Zoe.
You know what, the gut is something that's coming up in conversation a lot. Our own health, naturally, we need to keep that in mind for our pets. What exactly are we talking about?
So we're talking about the gut bacteria, as you were saying, but really what we're trying to do is have a healthy bacteria in there. We call it the microbiome now. The biome being like a savanna where you have a whole lot of different animals and plants and trees and everything all coexisting. That's what we have in our gut and on our skin, in fact.
What exactly does it mean to have the good bacteria?
Approximately 100 trillion cells, bacteria in our gut. That's 100 with 12 zeros behind it, which is about 3 or 4 times more than what we have in our body. There are millions of different types of them. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. And what we want to do is promote the good ones because they help to keep the gut healthy. They do things like produce certain metabolites, butyric acid, which is important for the cells. They help to absorb nutrients like calcium and phosphorus. They crowd out the bad bacteria, which is obviously what we're trying to do to avoid things like E. coli and listeria. If we've got a good, healthy gut biome, we can avoid those.
Okay.
Latest research has also shown that actually the gut microbiome is different to people who tend to be obese or overweight and thin people. And so they've got completely different microbiomes, so it even comes down to that.
You know what? Studies have shown that there is a big link between stress and anxiety and the gut. Can you tell us a little bit more about this study?
So what it means is if the gut is not healthy, then the brain is also not healthy, and we can actually get stressed, and that causes damage to the gut or the other way around as well.
Okay.
Not only stress, but depression can also be due to gut bacteria that's not correct. If we can change what's happening in the gut, we can also then improve the stress factor.
So how would you pick that up in your animal?
It's more that if they stress, they change the gut bacteria, and then they can get diseases like diarrhea and vomiting. So there are 2 things. There's probiotics and prebiotics. If we give the prebiotics, which is the fiber that they use, then we can get the right bacteria to grow.
But how can we ensure that our pets get the exact probiotics that they need?
We can use specific diets like Hill's ID Stress, which has the probiotics in it, the ones that help to improve the correct bacteria. Hill's ID Stress also has milk protein hydrolysate in it, which helps to reduce the stress point of view or calms them down, and therefore also has a beneficial effect on the gut bacteria.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Pleasure, Zoe.
And remember, a healthy pet starts with a healthy gut. So wise up and get your pet checked so that you can give your 4-legged friend the best possible care.
Science is at the heart of biology-based nutrition. The secret to lifelong health, it all starts with science.